llama yache o la ceiba.
Yes.
In Spanish, we call like ceiba, my friend. Forget it. Try it first.
Okay. Are you okay? Oh man, I see what you're doing. I thought I was about to leave for some reason.
What?
I don't know. So pretty.
It's beautiful. I think it's starting to warm up a little bit now.
Or just like, what are they?
It's starting to get a little hot.
I didn't know that those would have been great. Oh, I guess it's in America, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
I guess they were just that's Wait.
Okay.
Tardamos, fuimos a Colombia, el cielito, nos fuimos al jardín.
They're included 100%, at least 10. Guarantee, you can see 10 iguanas.
What?
Okay, how many So now what we did nowadays, we cross that wall. It's not something that everyone could do back then. This wall, at first, the first main purpose of this wall was to protect the city from enemies. The city was very small at first, but then it outgrew the wall. The population right here was around 5,000 people, not inside the walls, all around the city of Tulum. The thing is, we cannot find any buildings outside of these walls because these were residential buildings, no temples, no ruling housing, no one important lived outside of these walls. So inside of this city, inside of these walls, we only had 500 people, only elite and middle class. Lower class people had to live outside of these walls. So the main purpose of the wall at the end of the Tulum era was to control who gets in and out for two reasons. First, because this is a trading port where canoes and boats come from Central America and Central Mexico to do some trading, and also to keep the lower class people away. Okay? Now, right here, I'm going to tell you about this first building we have. Is the House of the Northwest. This is called the house because in the first chamber we have two beds. But this is not a usual residential building. Usually residential buildings, again, they were made out of organic material and they only had one big room. This one has the first one with two beds, and the second one, you see it over there, is a replica of a temple, and in between that temple we have an outlet. So the first theory, or the main theory, says that this is the house of a shaman or a Mayan priest. So he can sleep with his family and he can pray and honor the ancestors in the second chamber. Okay? That's the main theory. There are other theories. Some people say that it may be a house for travelers or the merchants that come from the sea or from inland. Before they go back, they can stay a day or two. Or that may be something similar to a hospital in which injured or sick people could stay in the first chamber and the shaman would pray for them in the second one. We have to follow the main one. Everything we know about the Mayans is what the archaeologists, based on the conclusion by the archaeologists, based on the evidence they find. So every once in a while we get updates and everything changes. But for now, it's the house of the shaman.
All right.
Oh no, make it a wide shot so you can get all that.
That's crazy, isn't it? Never seen that before. Wow, it's spitting gum out?
Yeah.
Spit over in the foliage over there.
I don't remember what.
Hey, it's like way over there where no one's walking.
There's a trash can.
Okay.
I don't know if you're going to
Okay. The animals eat it.
Well, there's coconuts up there.
I saw it. It's crazy, isn't it?
Let's open for the coconut.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, bien, ¿y tú?
Ah, muy bien. It's not meant to be. Excuse me.
But right now it's okay. I'm gonna get fast.